Welcome back, crypto enthusiast. In today's video, where we delve into the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading with Bitpanda Leverage. If you're looking to enhance your trading prowess and unlock greater profit potential, you've come to the right place. Join us as we explore how Bitpanda Leverage can be your key to trading success, offering flexible options, diverse assets, advanced risk management, and a seamless user experience. Get ready to elevate your trading game and maximize your profits with Bitpanda Leverage. Enhanced trading power. Bitpanda Leverage offers traders the ability to significantly enhance their trading power in the dynamic cryptocurrency market. By leveraging their positions, traders can amplify their potential profits while maintaining control over their risk exposure. This feature enables traders to capitalize on market movements and maximize their returns, making Bitpanda Leverage a valuable tool for those seeking to optimize their trading strategy and achieve their financial goals. Flexible leverage options. With Bitpanda Leverage, traders benefit from flexible leverage options tailored to suit their individual trading preferences and risk appetite. Whether you're a conservative investor seeking lower leverage ratios for added security or a more aggressive trader looking to amplify your potential profits with higher leverage, Bitpanda offers a range of leverage options to accommodate diverse trading strategies. This flexibility empowers traders to optimize their leverage settings according to market conditions, investment goals, and risk management preferences, enhancing their overall trading experience and potential returns. Diverse asset selection. Bitpanda Leverage offers traders access to a diverse selection of digital assets, catering to a wide range of investment preferences and market opportunities. From leading cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum to altcoins and tokens, Bitpanda's platform provides ample choices for traders to explore and capitalize on. With a diverse asset selection, traders can diversify their portfolios, manage risk effectively, and seize potential profit opportunities across various markets, enhancing their trading experience and maximizing their investment potential. Advanced risk management. Bitpanda Leverage offers advanced risk management tools to help traders safeguard their investments and optimize their trading strategies. These tools include stop-loss orders, which automatically execute trades to limit losses, and take-profit orders, which lock in profits at predetermined price levels. Additionally, Bitpanda provides real-time monitoring of portfolio performance and market trends, enabling traders to make informed decisions and adjust their positions accordingly. With these features, traders can minimize risks and maximize their potential returns in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency trading. Seamless user experience. Bitpanda Leverage ensures a seamless user experience with its intuitive platform and user-friendly interface. Traders can easily navigate the platform and execute trades efficiently, regardless of their level of experience. From account setup to trade execution and monitoring, Bitpanda offers a streamlined process that prioritizes simplicity and accessibility. With clear and concise features, traders can focus on making informed decisions and maximizing their trading potential without unnecessary complexity or confusion. In conclusion, Bitpanda Leverage provides traders with a powerful tool to enhance their trading experience and maximize profits. With its seamless user experience and intuitive interface, Bitpanda simplifies the trading process and empowers users to make informed decisions with ease. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, Bitpanda Leverage offers a convenient and efficient way to trade cryptocurrency with leverage. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on trading strategies, cryptocurrency insights, and financial tips. Stay tuned for our next video, and happy trading!